Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to reduce data usage on Prime Video. Now, it is common to want to manage data usage when streaming videos, and I'm going to give you a breakdown on how to reduce data consumption on Amazon Prime Video. Adjusting streaming quality is the most effective way to reduce data usage. Prime Video, like most streaming services, allows you to adjust the video quality. Lowering the quality significantly reduces the amount of data used. Now, when you're within the Prime Video app settings, you can look for options related to stream quality or streaming and downloading. You typically find options like best, better, or data saver. Choosing data saver will use the least amount of data. Then you can also reduce the data used by downloading content for offline viewing. If you know you'll be in an area with limited or expensive data, download movies and TV shows over Wi-Fi beforehand. This allows you to watch content without using any cellular data. Also, within the streaming and downloading sections of your Prime Video app, you can change the download quality to save data when downloading videos. You can also manage your Wi-Fi streaming settings in the Prime Video app settings. There might be an option to restrict high-quality streaming when connected to Wi-Fi. If you're on a limited Wi-Fi plan, enabling this can help. Remember that Prime Video settings can vary slightly between devices, so you might need to adjust the settings on your phone, tablet, or TV separately. Some mobile devices have settings that allow you to limit data usage for specific apps. Check your device's network app settings to see if you can retrieve Prime Video's data consumption. Typically, you'll find these settings within the Prime Video app itself. Look for Settings or My Stuff section, and then find options related to streaming and downloading or playback quality. By implementing these strategies, you can enjoy Prime Video while minimizing your data usage.